Hello, hello, hello.
Amoy kulog?
Hello, Berto. Sir Berto, Astrid, Dijen, Aryan Abreu. Thank you for joining. And the sun does not appear. Hello for joining. Thank you for joining, Gina Lynn Cadusa. Good morning. Heart me. Tap tayo. Hello, dear Glinda, Jenalyn. Hi. Thank you, Elena Aguilar. Thank you for joining, June. That beer. Hello, good morning. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the future is endless. Thank you for joining, Mary Chris, Coati, Jolly, Elena Aguilar, Antonita Kakondem. Hello everyone.
Our lifetimes are made for ease.
I will be here. Thank you, Antoinette.
I will be
I'm GC Marisol, your host.
when the mirror tells you older. I will hold you and I will be here.
Thank you for joining, John, Jen, Chris Callis, Irving. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, Carlos. Suelit.
the one.
Malit. San Loina. Thank you for joining. Attendance na kayo, attendance na. Heart me.
Are made for change. Our lifetimes are made for years. We'll be together. 'Cause I will be.
Thank you for joining.
In this last days,
Share tayo. And heart me.
we must
Be those who have great resolutions in heart. We must be those who have great resolutions in heart. And great searchings of heart. Who have great resolutions in heart. Thank you for joining, Joel Faro. Gina.
Searchings of heart.
Gina, thank you.
Searchings of heart. Searchings of heart.
We must be absolutely consecrated to God.
Having one heart to love Him, seek Him, live Him, and be constituted with Him to be His expression. We must be those who have great resolutions in heart and great searchings of heart. Who have great resolutions in heart and great searchings of heart. Searchings of heart. Searchings of heart. Searchings of heart. Searchings of heart.
Thank you, Joel Faro.
Searchings of
Adventure Major. Melita Del Rose. Gina Dixerto.
Wow, ka-Ariel man. Datua, dili man.
Hello, Christine Johnny. Yeah. Lita Martinez.